So, what are some steps you can take to beat the stock market in the year 2020? And my view is this: you can look at both the fundamental side and the technical side at the same time. You want the thing here is you're betting on the success of the company itself. So, you believe that the company is going to be successful for a long time. So, you're going to buy its stock or you're going to trade its stock, whichever form you're doing. So, in my opinion, as far as buying it, what I would do is actually get all the information I can. You have the tools right here. You found this video. There's no reason you can't Google the information on whatever company you're looking for. So you're going to find all the information. It's going to be financials on the company products, where the company is stationed, and its long-term plan. If you can actually look for those things, why not? Go for it. Look for all the information you can on the company and kind of gauge its success and pay attention to the financial details and look at its previous history as well, if it has history. A lot of the ones that are currently out already, they're going to have their history out already, and they're going to be posted on a lot of sites like investing.com, for example. So you can check out sites like that and actually kind of like analyze the information itself. But at the same time, what you can do to kind of gauge things on a longer and shorter term perspective is look at the technical side of things as well. So I'm personally, for my trades, like you can look at some of my videos on the stock market. Not only am I looking at the information on the company, gauging its success, I am actually looking at the technical side to kind of gauge the direction of the market, to look for the best possible entry point. That way, I don't have to really deal with all the fluctuations. I know when to enter. I don't know when to enter exactly, but I am looking for the best possible entry that I can find. So for finding a stock, I don't want to deal with all the fluctuations if I don't have to. It's the market's going to go up and down all at once, but it's not going to stay in one direction. But trying to use technical analysis, what you can actually do is actually learn that and figure out a cheaper solution versus buying at a high price. If you don't have to, you can get it at a cheaper price and deal with less of the fluctuations if you're that good. If you've been in a long time, you can do that, but being new to it, it's not going to guarantee anything. I mean, I'm not a financial advisor, so I'm not going to tell you what to buy, but this is all I can really tell you for educational purposes is what I'm doing and what's helping me. So, yeah, I'm gonna put out the disclaimer. This isn't financial advice. This is just strictly educational. But ultimately, if you want to actually buy a stock and look for the best possible opportunity you can provide yourself, I would learn about these two things hand in hand and kind of use them together. There's nothing wrong with filling your decision with as much information as possible. So use the information that's already out there and the patience with the technical side of things. But if you want to kind of see a little bit of what I'm doing, I will post a link in the description of the stock videos that I've been posting, or you can subscribe to my channel, and I try to post them every month or so if I can. But subscribe and check out my channel, see how you like it. There's nothing wrong with it, but if you found this information helpful, feel free to like this video, feel free to subscribe, or comment your thoughts. And if you have any tips you'd like to share with the world, feel free to comment.